Hello and welcome to yet another physical show which is happening at Pragati Maidan. I am your host Asim Iqbal and today I am at Pragati Maidan to cover this show. Anutech is an international fair for the supply of food and beverages industry. It happens in New Delhi and Mumbai and this edition is happening in New Delhi. Let's go inside and find out what's new in this edition.
So Colin Master has been a great show, a great format. We did a lot of shows before and now we are back. We are happy. It's a great show, very well managed. And we have had great visitors from Haldiram, ITC, PepsiCo, who's who of the industry, and we are good to be back over here.
It is very nice to be back here in the industry and conduct trade shows, meet our customers physically, show them some of our equipment and discuss with them their future projects. I think it's a great opportunity to be back.
I am Suresh Subramaniam from Technofor Electronics Private Limited, and we are manufacturing metal detectors, checkwares, and recently launched the X-ray systems used in the pharmaceutical and food industries. This exhibition has been very good for the engineering industries used in the food industries.
Hi, I'm Milind Dikshit, Managing Director, Cologne Messe YA Trade Fair India Limited. We are organizing this exhibition after the pandemic continuously affecting us since 2020, and there were a couple of postponements that have happened, but coincidentally now we are able to do a very successful show. Maybe all are able to see the people behind me and the action behind me. There are machines running. There is a whole lot of food processing, packaging, food logistics, and food ingredients. These four topics are covered by us. This exhibition is happening, this is the 15th edition in India, and we are growing year after year, and we are the biggest of the food industry, technology industry exhibition in India that rotates between Bombay and Delhi every alternate year. We have, in spite of the challenges due to the pandemic, we still have more than 200 companies that are participating in this current fair in New Delhi, which is very encouraging. And that is really setting a standard for the industry that we need to really take on the activities very seriously. There are buyers, there are sellers who are ready to come on the show floor. People want to see live action. The live machines running, there's a whole lot of buying of the machines is happening. Due to the pandemic, what has happened is the industry is not able to explore new technologies because there was no person-to-person contact that was happening in India for quite some time. But people want to see the machines live running because that cannot be shown virtually, as we all know. And that is making difference why we are seeing so many people here, because everyone wants to explore new technologies, new innovations, and there are a couple of foreigners also that we have. In spite of the pandemic, I am repeating this, that the kind of response even from the foreign countries that we've received is very encouraging. And I must thank to the entire industry, the processing, packaging of food, and even our visitors, the buyers community. We have big names which have already visited the in the food industry. We have Haldiram, we have Balaji, we have Chitale's, we have Mondelez, we have Wrigley's. These are few names that comes on top of my mind, and they are already there on the show floor. Ritz Foods, and there are a whole lot of associations that are supporting us. We also have kept the association seminars to bring the knowledge sessions to the visitors, so that there is technical knowledge sharing that happens between the industry players and the buyers. So we are taking all efforts, and we hope to have another successful day today. So I only can appeal more and more food industry people to come and see the live action out here in Pragati Maidan. Thank you very much.